Hi, I'm Othman Nait. I'm the Deputy General Manager of Travelink Morocco. We are a DMC based in Marrakesh and working all over Morocco and touching hearts and minds of our guests and local communities. In Travelink, we had two different sites. So it was a DMC doing all the DMC work and a charity because with our founder, he has Berber roots. So on his mind, he wanted always to give back to this community. It's not just given to the community, but it also touches the hearts and the minds of our guests, because once they spend some time with the locals, it is something that they will remember forever. We support 11 villages around Marrakesh, and now after launching Travelink Foundation, the idea is to leave a better impact on not just this region, but elsewhere in Morocco. Our main objective or goal is not just to give money, and this is not what we do. We want to immerse our guests into the culture of Morocco, the culture of the Berbers, and also to give a sustainable project to these communities. We make sure before investing or creating any social project in villages, we make sure that we have the total support of the people of the village to make it a project for the village where people work, make money, invest, create. For many of the Atlas Mountains children, they are all Berbers, so speaking Berber as only language. So we created some centers and we brought and trained different teachers to help those children integrate school easily during a few years before starting their first elementary class. Last year with PUREists, we have refurbished this community center in this village where children go to school in kindergarten, and also women spend their time now gathering there, spend their time making rugs and different handicraft items that they sell afterwards. And this became actually a project for them, so they make money out of it. They became very independent now. It changes the lives not only for those women, but for the village, because now when women became very independent, so it's an empowerment to them and to the girls actually growing up. So they see that there is a future in here, not only studying, but also creating and having opportunities and better opportunities for their future. Something as simple as building a road, and it changed lives because people actually couldn't go to school, couldn't drive or go to work. That's very important because there in Morocco we have villages spread all over the mountains. High school students from different villages have to either walk if their parents don't have a motorbike, or drop out of school. So when it rains, just the students cannot walk down. This morning, we've seen some schoolgirls and boys walking down the road that PUREists built last year. We got a nice story just a few days after PURE.
Yeah.
Someone at the village up there got married, so they had a big wedding. And thanks to this road, actually, they had the cars going up all the way to the houses and everything.
Oh,
so.
that's amazing.
You can see that small things, in a half day, we got to change people's life. Yeah, exactly.
Well, everyone's life.
Everyone's life, yeah, for sure. In Morocco, and especially in the Atlas Mountains, water is a very important commodity, I would say. So I think that for PURE 2020, the idea is helping other villages like we did in 2019 with the water pipes. So now we will help another village to manage efficiently the rainwater and also the used water and the drainage as well. we can benefit from others' experiences and the same for the whole travel industry, because we learn a lot from what other people do. And this is very important for us as in traveling, so this is what we do. We talk about it around us, we share experiences. Once we are aware of the impact that small things can make on this world, we know how important the charity, or not just giving, but giving or building sustainable project is. We can see that with small things we can change worlds and probably future of many people actually.